Introducing My Vista Account. One account, 3 amazing brands. Vista Print, Vista Create, and 99 Designs by Vista. With a Vista account, accessing our brands has never been easier. New customers signing up will automatically have one Vista account for 3 brands. If you're already a customer with 1 or more brand accounts, don't worry. Nothing is changing for you at the moment. You can continue using your existing email and password across all 3 brands. If you have multiple accounts with the same email, we've got you covered. When you sign in, we'll guide you through resetting to a single password. However, if you have multiple accounts with different emails, we're unable to merge them at the moment. You can find more information in this article.